Hi friends, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to knit this easy stitch. It's called Brioche and it's a very easy stitch. You can use it to knit scarves, hats, sweaters and so many other things. It's a very easy stitch and I'm going to show you how to do it in very easy simple steps. To begin, cast on 10 stitches. I always make a knot here to prevent the first stitch from unraveling. Turn your work. Slip the first stitch to your right needle. Yarn to the front. Slip the second stitch to your right needle, knit the third stitch. Yarn to the front, slip the next stitch to the right needle, knit the next stitch. Yarn to the front, slip the next stitch to the right needle, knit the next stitch. Yarn to the front and then purl the last stitch. Okay, turn your work, slip the first stitch to the right needle, yarn to the front, slip the next stitch, then here you knit into that space there. So you've got two strands on the needle, so you are knitting into the next stitch with one. This is yarn over from the previous row, so you put you insert your needle into that space there, then you knit one. Yarn to the front, slip the next stitch, knit the next stitch. Then purl the last stitch. Okay, turn your work. Slip the first stitch, slip the next stitch, knit into there. There's a stitch there and there's a yarn over, So you have to make sure that you are inserting your needle into the stitch. Okay, knit one, yarn to the front, slip the next stitch and knit the next stitch. And then purl the last stitch. Slip first stitch, yarn to the front, slip the next one, okay. So the pattern is beginning to form. I don't know if you can see there. Turn your work. So we are going to continue with the same steps. Slip the first stitch, yarn to the front, slip the second stitch, knit into the third stitch. You are going to get these big loops here, but don't worry about that. Just concentrate on getting the stitches right, and then you can always sort the tension later. There we are. Just continue with that. That's all for today. I hope you got value from today's tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you again soon.